let's talk about women for a second. Women who
I'm gonna tell you something. I love women. I'm a big jail has made me appreciate women, but I hate bitches even more because I love women now. Because they make it bad for real women. They make it so when I meet a real woman, she's scared of me because of this bitch that said I raped her. So I love women, but I hate bitches. And I try to deal with both of them in every album. I try to make a good song where I deal with the women. I try to make a song where I attack the bitches.
But you do understand and
it's a difference.
Separate.
No, all women are not bitches. No, I don't believe that. They are women and they are bitches. And I don't believe every woman got a bitch and none of that shit. I believe it's women and there's bitches.
Okay, good.
A woman that puts up as a lady at all times, that's the one I'm attracted to. That's the one I want every time. But there's bitches out there. Even women know that. Women don't like bitches. I feel like I employ more women, help more women, and work with more women than anybody in the fucking world.
No, you do have a lot of women around you. I noticed that.
All women.
Yeah, I hear you.
But I'm a man's man. I attack suckers, whoever they are. Whether the suckers got pussies or dicks, I attack them.
Can you talk about your marriage a little bit? Because I know you got married and that was quick.
I'm trying to give my ex-wife her life back and her privacy by not discussing it over and over again. Okay. But I will say that she was a wonderful person. She held me through my whole prison stay. She was there every day. We got married. She was my friend. It was never a joke on marriage. It was just we had to do what we had to do with the situation we was given. And we made our decisions. If she was my friend, she's still my friend. I can call her right now. I call her all the time. She tell me everything that's popping in New York.
She's from New York?
Yeah. She still lives right in the heart of it. She live in Harlem.
You ever want to get remarried? Have kids? All of that?
Mm-hmm. After I'm finished riding.
I hear you. Yeah. I read somewhere that you said that you don't have time to be married and to be in this business.
Be a good husband. And I'm one of the niggas that want to be a good husband and I want to be a good father. So I don't got time right now.